Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm in front of a 2011 Chaparral 244 Sunesta Xtreme Edition. The Xtreme Edition comes with a little fancier gel coat scheme, a water sports tower with integrated bimini, wakeboard racks and tower speakers, and also perfect pass speed control. This boat does include the trailer. We fully service the boat and the trailer. The trailer has all the new LED lights that are working, new tires on the trailer. The engine's got all the maintenance done up to date. This boat is ready to go to the water. Brand new upholstery throughout most of the boat. New decadence flooring, new umbrella covers for the bimini and the boat. Come around, let me show you a little bit more about it. This boat has a nice huge swim platform on the back with a rear facing lounger seat, freshwater washdown and stereo controls. This boat does have underwater lights and trim tabs. Come on inside, let me show you a little bit more about it. This boat has a nice big wraparound bow with a bow filler cushion, front boarding ladder and anchor locker with dedicated storage. As you walk through the center walkway, you have a huge storage compartment or an optional porta potty head you can put in there. Again, nice wraparound seating, little wet bar area. Your dash has all your controls and gauges. We've got it all clean, serviced, and ready to go to the lake. Come by MarineMax in Greenville and check it out.